Morning, YouTube. This is the first backhoe dig of 2020 for the Roadrunner Prospectors Club. And I don't know how much of this you can see, but I'm going to zoom in. It looks like a little city out there where the dig is. Don't know for sure how many, we haven't got a count yet, but lots of people digging and lots of different equipment, and they're all finding gold. Okay guys, we're up here on the dig site, and here's Fred's banner. I don't think he likes Biden. I think this might be a Trump site. Carol's holding it. Alright guys, this is one of the many trenches that dug with the backhoe. You'll see there's some interesting equipment running. People have built all their own stuff, and some are using just regular dry washers. This is one site. There's our friends over there. That's the guy with a good name. That's Jim Gold. I don't know if you can see him. And his wife. Okay, here's some more of the dig sites. You can't see because I'm zoomed in. There's some up there. There's two up there. There's one down here. Actually, there's a long trench there also. There's some more of the campers. You can see the porta-john down there. And as I pan uphill, there's the backhoe, some more miners, and there's a guy running a hand puffer, dry washer. I got a lot of glare this morning, so I'm not sure I can. Okay, this is the lower end of the claim. You can see we got people everywhere. The backhoe dug over here where the Jeep is. And as you look back this way, you can see all the canopies. It was actually 101 here yesterday. And we've got, I'm guessing we are close to 100 diggers out here. West side of the claim. Now I'm going to the north. Another interesting piece of equipment here. It's a circulator. It's a little noisy right here. It's one of our camping partners there. They're running this bigger machine. There's another guy right there in this trench.
Screening his material before he looks through the dry washer. And I believe this gentleman is backed up to something a bit ready to go. Trying to show the bottom of the vegetable and the bottom. That's where the gold was laying, right on that gate.
We got gold?
A little bit.
Little bit?
Little bit. So here's just a little gold that was found by one of the members in a fairly good dig spot. So here's a little more gold, a nice little nugget, and a whole bunch of really nice fine gold. It was found by one of our members.
Reduced air now?
Smuffer valve. That's the smuffer valve.
Oh, it's still up.
Yep.
Otherwise,
Here's another really nice pan of gold found by another member. Really nice. Alright, so we're getting near the end of the day now. As you can see, some people are throwing really hard and almost missing the dry washer. Others are slowing down on their shoveling, still screening. Everybody's getting a little hot and tired by this time of the day. Made a big dent in the bottom of that pit. This was a really, really good dig. One of the best the club has done in a long, long time. The bow's a little scratched, but that's some really nice gold in there from another member.